Good afternoon, graduates. Ako nga pala si Jane Harry Abdelan Ramos from Grade 10 Alexandria. Una sa lahat, gusto ko lang po magpasalamat for giving me the opportunity na makapagsalita ngayon sa inyong harap. Para sa words of gratitude, personally and in behalf of my fellow schoolmates na rin. So, I would like to begin my speech by thanking my parents, my dad, Jesnel R. Ramos, and my mom, April M. Ramos, for supporting me here throughout my journey here at RP Mabuhay City Academy for 11 years, from nursery until now, junior high school, as I complete my junior high school education. On behalf of my fellow graduates, we also want to thank all of our parents for their unconditional love, understanding, and for providing us with everything we needed. We deeply appreciate you for sending us to a good and private school here in Cabuyao, a place where we have learned, grown, and made memories that will last a lifetime. We are also deeply thankful to all our teachers who have not only taught us educational lessons, but have also guided us in becoming better individuals. To our advisors, thank you for always supporting our goals and taking care of us every step of the way. You were the second parents to us at school, always making sure we were on the right path and helping us when we needed it the most. To our classmates and fellow students, thank you for being a part of our individual journeys. We shared countless moments together, the laughters, tears, arguments, and celebrations. Ngayon, alam kong sawa na tayo sa mukha ng mga kaklase natin. Pero alam ko na pagka-graduate natin, ay mamimiss din natin yung isa't isa. The bondings we have shared together, the bond we formed, no matter how small or big it is, will forever remain in our hearts. Lastly, thank you so much to our school, RP Mabuhay City Academy. This institution has been our second home. Thank you for the valuable lessons you learned both inside and outside the classrooms. Thank you for supporting us in competitions such as Caprisa, Journalism, Miss Bees, and to our clubs, the SSG, RPC, and CAT. You have opened doors for us and given us opportunities to grow. As we close this chapter and move forward to the next, may we always carry the values we learned here. Once again, thank you very much to everyone who has been part of this journey. Congratulations to all of us and good luck to the next chapter of our lives. Thank you.